The achievements are enormous. We are a testimony of the Grundfos technology. And this technology has been appreciated by our rural people. The purpose of this project is basically to provide access to safe and clean water to our fishing communities in Buikwe district. Right now we are at one of the water systems. This particular system is called Busana. It's one of the 24 water systems that have been constructed in Buikwe under the support of Iceland government. All our systems are installed with Grundfos products. It has helped us not only with the technology but also with added support, technical support. But beyond the technical support, they've even built capacity. There's so many trainings on water quality, water supply, innovations. Grundfos is a good fit because one, their technology is dependable. It promotes sustainability because of its durability. But also the technology of AQTaps has moved us away from a public standpipe that is manned by a person the whole time.
This project is so good for our community. It is more helpful for the people. It is easy or cheap to get water every time, day and night.
Before the project, our communities were fetching water from the lake. They were accessing unsafe water, and with it came a lot of challenges such as waterborne related diseases. The other challenges that come with accessing water at long distances where the girl child is exposed. A lot of underlying challenges such as early pregnancies and all that. Well, our biggest achievement has been the improvement in the livelihood. Their lives have changed. We are ready for the next phase. One, people have appreciated the need for clean and safe water. They have appreciated our technology. We're already in the advanced stages of rolling the next project. We intend to install at least another 120 AQTaps, plus also build capacity of our operators further so that we're able to sustain these systems for so many years to come.